All right, ladies and gentlemen, hello. It's Miss Sinclair. It's Tuesday, and Jaden and who else left? Jaden and Rayanne and Wyatt. See ya. We miss you guys. Here's what we're going to work on. We're going to work on some of these together. Then you're going to work on some of these on your own. You'll turn them in, and we'll grade the ones that you do on your own. But we talked about order of operation, so let's make a little cheat sheet here. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And remember, if there's more than one, you have to go from left to right. And if there's more than one parentheses, you go to the one that's the furthest inside first. So this is kind of some old stuff. I've got division, addition, multiply. What comes first? Emma. Right, I can multiply and divide at the same time from left to right, so I'm going to do both of these first. So I've got 2 and 14. Make sense? Multiply and divide in order from left to right.
Yeah, but like.
It's okay. Here I've got add, multiply, subtract. Where do I begin? Multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. And now it's all add, subtract, so you can work your way from left to right. You guys able to see that okay? Okay, divide, multiply, exponent. Aaron, what should I do first? Yep. So 2 squared. What's 2 to the second power? Josh? 4. So now I've got this, and this. So I've got divide and multiply, and I start on the left side, right? Should be. Divide, parentheses, and add. Where do I begin, Cohen? Perfect. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Then I copy everything else down. Now I've got divide and add. What comes next, Cohen? You betcha. All right, number 5. I've got parentheses inside brackets. So Cody, this is what you're asking about. So the brackets are on the outside, parentheses inside. So the most inside is going to be 18 minus 6, so that's 12. Now I've got multiply, parentheses, subtract. Austin, what happens first? Yep, so 12 minus 6. Okay, 2.7 divided by 0.9. So I can tell you right off the bat, 9 goes into 27 3 times, right? We just got to figure out where the decimal belongs. So I'm going to take the time to just write that down because I know I've got to move that once and that once, which means that goes there. So it's a whole number 3. Multiply or subtract, Cameron? Yep. Let's do this one next. 1/3 times 9 times 3 plus 18. Where do I start? In the parentheses. So I got 27 times 1/3 plus 18. Now I can make 27 look like a fraction, right? Cross reduce. 3 and 27. Do we need to dim the lights? Are you guys okay? Anybody can dim them if you want. There we go. Let's do this one. 9 times 2 is the numerator. So what do I get for 9 times 2? So there's my numerator. Let's look at the denominator. We're going to do the exponent first. So 3 to the second power would be what, Mary? Four plus 9 minus 1. Now, simplest form. Josh says 1 and what? Well, 6/12. Remember, 6/12 is not lowest terms, right? Let's do 14. Here's my numerator, 13 minus 4. And then I got this craziness. 18 minus 4 squared plus 1. We'll do the exponent first. So what's my denominator going to be? 9 divided by 3. Let's do 11. 2.5 times 0.5 to the second power divide by 5. So 0.5 to the second power. Where's the decimal point go? Kayla? In front, yep. So 0.25 is what we're going to get for that. So let's go 0.25 times 2.5 divided by 5. So multiply or divide, which one's on the left? Okay, so I'm going to go back here. 0.25 times 2.5. Now we're just going to multiply like we normally would any other multiplication problem. 5 times 5. 10 plus 2 more. And 3 numbers behind the decimal is exactly right. 0.625 divided by 5. And right there's how you're going to do that. Okay, on the front, you're going to circle 7, 8, 10, 12, and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do 6, but I was only going to make you do 5 of those. So circle 7, 8, 10, 12, and 15. Let's look at the next page. Write the verbal phrase as an algebraic expression. Take English, translate into math. 4 times a number x decreased by 12. Remember those? Six less than double a number x. Now, this one right here is that trick. If it says 6 less than something, the something has to come first because I want 6 less than that. So double a number x would be this, and 6 less than that. $29 decreased by triple a number x. Make sense? Circle 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. That's 5 more problems. So your assignment for today is to turn in the 10 problems we circled. There are 5 over here, 5 over here, and we will save that for another lovely day. Unless you want to do 5 more. I think that's plenty for today. All right, you guys want to say bye to your friends? Bye, friends. See ya.